Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on cube and cuboids. It says, all faces of a cube with an 8-meter edge are painted red. If the cube is cut into smaller cubes with a 2-meter edge, how many of the 2-meter cubes have paint on exactly one face? So what is happening? We have a bigger cube whose edge is 8 meters. It is broken into small cubes of 2-meter edge. So let us understand how is it happening. So it is given that a bigger cube of 8-meter edge is broken into smaller cubes of 2 meter. This is much similar to a 4-meter edge cube broken into 1-meter small cubes. So this relationship can be easily seen in the diagram. So there was a bigger cube which was painted red color from the outer surface and then was broken into 2-meter smaller cubes. So on every edge you can have 1, 2, 3 and 4 cubes of 2-meter dimension. In fact, every row will have 4 cubes. As you can see, on every row you'll see 4 cubes. Every column will have 4 cubes. So we can easily say that it's a 4 by 4 structure on the face. Now the question is, how many of the 2-meter cubes have paint on exactly one face? This is what we have to figure out. If I look at the cubes on the edge, I can see the corner cubes are painted on 3 sides, whereas the other edge cubes are painted on 2 of the faces. So therefore, the cubes on the edge are either 2-face or 3-face painted. So I cannot count on the cubes on the edges. So I need to remove all the 4 edges of this face. And hence I'm left with the cubes in the middle. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these 4 cubes which are available on the middle portion of the face have one face painted. And thus there are 4 cubes on the face which have one face painted. Because we know there are 6 identical faces on the cube, therefore we get 24 cubes having exactly one face painted, and hence your answer to this question becomes option number 1. We can also have a different approach to this question, and that is, as we know that it's a 4 cross 4 structure, but because we are removing the edges, this 4 becomes 2 meters and this 4 also becomes 2. As you can see from the left hand side, if I remove this edge and this one, similarly if I remove the first and the fourth edge on the column, I will be left with a 2 by 2 structure, which is again going to be 4 cubes, and because there are 6 faces, we get the answer as 24 cubes which will have paint on exactly one face, and thus the answer to this question becomes 24. I hope the method and the solution is clear to all. Thank you.